going to do? We're going to cut all these things I built with a credit card. And guess what? It's like magic, guys. So, kids, let me show you how we did it first. So, guys, so kids, watch what we are going to do.
Wow.
That's what we're going to do. So, okay, let's do this up. We're going to start with a pyramid. Okay, that's so cool. Kids, look at I broke the top off. Kids, it ate my credit card.
Oh no.
I can get out. Kids, do I see a magic trick? Exploded. Kids, that's cool. I'm doing real magic right now, kids. Kids, this is like actual magic. Whoa! Whoa! Kids, do that. See, I just touched it with my credit card. I just fell down. Okay, now guys, big pyramid. Do I see a magic trick?
Yeah, the moon. That's right, Brittany. Chew up your food.
Did you see that magic
Yeah.
trick? And it went right through this.
That's
Went
right.
right through the pyramid. Okay. There's another big pyramid. Kids, it went right through the pyramid. Cool. Okay, kids. There's
The big one.
one.
Wow. He did a magic trick with just his hands.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, do I see the bosses that we did? This is the boss.
Uh-huh.
This is the boss that we did. And this is the boss that we did. But we didn't do this guy yet.
That's right.
Okay, that was real magic with my hand. Okay. Bryn,
No, Bryn, no. Get off of those. Okay.
Bryn, don't do that. And Bryn didn't know that we should do that. But kids, what is this now?
All right, time to wrap it up.
And kids, goodbye. And if you have a credit card that's for magnet blocks, you can build a lot of these things, and then just like show your mom and dad. That's really magic. And if you have the big ones too, you can show them the magic with the hands. And I never know that I could do magic. I never done magic before. My dad named Bo teach me.
Tell them goodbye.
And kids, I want to show you something of this thing. These kids, this can open.
What a secret
Kids,
thing.
I got bouncy balls and a recomputer that broke. And I even got this wrestler belt for kids.
gotta tell him bye now.
And I actually got this hat, which I don't know where it came from.